look at this bass.
He's huge, bro.
Hey YouTube family, today we're fishing and we're in the same spot and we're gonna see how many fish we can catch. Alright YouTube family, look at this fish.
Alright, let's put him in a bucket.
Put 'em in the bucket.
That's one down.
Alright YouTube family, look at this fish. I think this is the same one.
Nah, this is a different one.
Does this look like the same one?
Bruh.
Let's put it in a bucket. It's fish number 2.
Oh, because the other one is it in here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you know it's different. Right? Oh, YouTube family, look at this one.
Hold it up so we can see it.
It looks so easy. Catch. Can you get stuff out?
That's fish number 3, huh?
Yeah, fish.
Let's put it in a bucket.
Let me roll around. Let me roll around. Oh, YouTube family, look at this bass.
He's huge, bro.
Put him back. So huge.
Go ahead, put him back.
I'm gonna get paralyzed. Paralyzed? What?
I believe I can fly.
This is dying.
Ain't dead.
Look at this duck. We caught a duck with our friend.
We're gonna put his channel name down below.
It's a duck. Ducks are invasive, believe it or not. So too.
Why are you running?
Gotta be careful. Ow, 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 ow.
Oh, YouTube family, look at this turtle. So snappy. I was snappy.
What kind of turtle it is?
It's a reddish slider turtle.
Reddish, largest turtle.
Let's let him let it go.
What do you think?
Bro.
I believe I can touch the sky.
That's all of them. I got this, man.
Boy, if you don't get...